Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today is International Women's Day 2023 and I want to celebrate the awesomeness of women with this fantastic fused glass project. It's just a quirky way of saying women are great, we're awesome, and we come in all different shapes, sizes, colours, dress, and whichever way you choose to rock it, you are brilliant. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. So we've cut all these pieces for this piece. There is a template, guys. It's very fiddly, but I think it's such a cool project to kind of celebrate us fantastic women. So I'm now going to put it together. I'm going to decorate the dresses and everything. I'm going to put a bit of fibre paper under the hijab just to give it a bit of movement, so that has some texture as well. And then I will, show it to you before it goes in the kiln on a tack fuse. So here it is, ready to go in the kiln, and we can have a look how it looks when it's ready to come out. So here it is out of the kiln. I think it's looking great. We're just going to clear up the fibre paper, and then we'll probably put it in some little stand just to stand it up, and we can have a look at it at the end. So here it is out of the kiln. I think it looks great. I love the way the little Murrine, these are our mini leaves, and we've got some of our mini mix here. On the kind of pieces to kind of add touches, just some tiny bit of stringers here, and this worked really well. We've got the fibre paper out the back. It's not entirely all out, it's quite tricky, but we'll try and give it another go and try and get a bit more out a bit later. But as a piece to celebrate International Women's Day, I think it's awesome. I love the movement on the hijab. If it wasn't there, I think it would be quite full on as a piece of black in this piece. But with the little bit of movement, it really softens it and makes it kind of a cohesive piece as a whole. And I love it. To celebrate women for this International Women's Day 2023, this is awesome. Women, you're fantastic. You rule the world, or we should do. And, carry on doing what you're doing because it's brilliant. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make some videos, some glass or some other art, to celebrate the awesomeness of women. Remember, you can get all our products at tabithasglassemporium.com, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time. Till then, happy fusing.